What if a smartphone could last weeks on standby, withstand the harshest environments, and still deliver flagship-level performance? Meet the Oscal Tank 1, a rugged beast that's rewriting the rules of mobile endurance. Just launched, the Oscal Tank 1 is now available with an exclusive introductory discount. Starting at $429 for the 12GB RAM, 512GB storage model, and $468 for the 16GB RAM variant, this powerhouse is priced to shake up the rugged smartphone market. But don't wait, prices will soon climb to $520 and $559. At 29.5 millimeters thick and weighing a hefty 640 grams, imagine stacking 4 iPhone 17s. That's the size and heft you're carrying. Built with an IP69K certification, it's fully waterproof and dustproof, designed to thrive where other phones simply wouldn't survive. The real game changer? Its massive 20,000 mAh battery. Whether you're gaming for 20 hours straight or leaving it on standby for an incredible 45 days, this phone just keeps going. When it does need a recharge, fast charging via USB-C at 55 watts gets you back up quickly. Oscal didn't stop at durability. The Tank 1 sports a vibrant 6.78-inch display with 1080p plus resolution and a smooth 120Hz refresh rate, making every interaction crisp and fluid. On the back, a unique 2-inch secondary display sits right on the camera module, perfect for framing selfies using the powerful 64-megapixel main camera. The triple camera setup includes a 64-megapixel main sensor with an f1.8 lens, a 20-megapixel night vision camera for low light and dark conditions, and a 50-megapixel front camera for stunning selfies. This versatile combination means you're ready for any scenario, day or night. Under the hood, the MediaTek Dimensity 5070 chipset delivers reliable performance without draining the massive battery. The Oscal Tank 1 is built for adventurers, outdoor professionals, and anyone who demands more from their smartphone. Durability, power, and innovation, all wrapped in a rugged package. Ready to take your smartphone to the next level? Check out the Oscal Tank 1 today, where rugged meets remarkable.